Hi friends, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. In today's video, we will see how to make prawns in hot garlic sauce, which will taste just like restaurant style and will be ready in just few minutes. So let's get started. So here I have taken some large size prawns and now I'm going to season them with some salt and some freshly crushed black pepper. Now rub the salt and black pepper powder well over the prawns. Next, heat a pan and add around 1 tablespoon of refined oil. Spread the oil evenly on all the sides of the pan, and when the oil is hot enough, place the marinated prawns on it. Now flip the prawns and we need to slightly fry them until the prawn changes its color and turns light golden brown. So the prawns are done and now I'm going to take them off and keep them aside in a plate. In the same pan, add 1 more teaspoon of refined oil. Next, I'll be adding some finely chopped garlic. I have used here 4 large garlic pods. Some finely chopped ginger and 1 small onion finely chopped. Now fry the ginger, garlic and onion till they turn light golden brown. Adding now around 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. You can increase or decrease according to your spice level. Give a mix. Next goes 1 teaspoon of dark soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of tomato chili sauce, 1 tablespoon of schezwan sauce. Now give everything a good mix. Season the hot garlic sauce with half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of black pepper powder. Now add the fried prawns and coat well the prawns with the sauce. It's important to saute the prawns for a while in the hot garlic sauce so that all the flavors of the sauce penetrates inside the prawns. Now add 1 small bowl of cornflour slurry and we will let the prawns simmer in the sauce for another 1 minute so that they become soft and juicy from inside, and allow the sauce to thicken slightly. After 1 minute, you can see the sauce has thickened and the prawns are also well coated by the sauce. So our dish is ready to be served hot now. So here goes my prawns in hot garlic sauce. I'll add some thin slices of chilies, some more chili flakes and some black pepper powder on top as I prefer extra spiciness in my food. Serve this delicious prawns in hot garlic sauce with fried rice or noodles. So friends, do try this recipe and share your feedbacks in the comment section below. And if you like my today's video, then do like, share and subscribe my channel for more such yummy recipes. Also check out the links of my other recipes in the description section of this video. See you soon again in my next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.